Achilles is chilling. Okay, baby. Don't worry. Okay. We'll go soon. Aww. You're just making yourself at home at Mel's place, huh?
Wow.
Yeah. Achilles.
Hi.
Are you guys camping?
Yeah.
What's your site number?
417.
This is
Hi.
cuter than I thought.
Yeah, I like the long hair better than the short hair.
Right?
Yeah.
You gotta have a hairy.
My sister had the
Achilles,
short
you
hair
can give
ones.
me a breakout from allergies. I'm fine with that.
Anyways,
Okay.
okay. Will help.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh no, you guys don't have to help. Or you
I'm
can.
really sarcastic. That's why.
The bathrooms are really clean and there's soap there and the little
Oh.
water
Yeah.
dryer.
Yeah, they're
so
actually
like
really
there's
Oh,
it was
good.
nice.
Are you not cold? I feel cold and chilly
I'm
already.
cold yeah.
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 Oh yeah, you're good, girl.
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay.
Are we going camping?
Yes, we
yes,
are pretty
yes,
much
yes,
there.
yes.
First
Okay.
things first is the tent.
Yes. Oh well, I was gonna also do the. Do you want me to do the hammock? I could do the hammock. Attempt to do the hammock. Achilles, you like it?
Where's the steak at the bottom? Oh yeah. This is pretty nice. Okay, put this in here. Hey, Julie's.
Yeah, and I have the short ribs in my lunch pail too.
Oh, okay.
Well, what is this one? Is this for the bears?
Well, we gotta put the food away at night.
Oh,
Or in the car.
oh, guys, Bella, this is my first time camping. I glamp, so I, don't.
not know that.
Oh,
I
really?
thought you knew.
No. I've camped in a yurt and in a tent. Well, yes, you can take your help.
Trying to figure out how big.
This is the first time that. Oh, wait, it's bigger.
Yeah. If you want, okay. How big is your tent?
To be fair, I've never set up my tent.
Is this
Okay. To be
the?
fair, let me help you out.
Okay.
I want to say this
Actually, okay. Well, all you really need is just a space for the entrance. Otherwise, it doesn't really matter.
Wait,
Yeah, that's enough.
okay.
Okay.
Oh, is this just for the entrance?
Yeah, it's just for your feet, so there doesn't like shoes.
It goes under the tent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it looks flat because we want to sleep where it's more flat.
Oh, yeah. No, this is a pretty good flat area.
I think this is big enough.
Okay, let me just put my bag down.
I was gonna say, where are your pants from?
God, that's
Yeah.
a big tent. That's not the one you're backpacking with.
Heck no.
Okay.
Are you gonna like record this whole thing?
Yes.
Please do.
Yes, we gotta.
Ready?
I
Apparently,
honestly support
Andre
this.
wants to see us struggle. So.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
So Mel has watched a video for this.
I watched
Okay.
the video.
Okay.
We're gonna watch you.
I tried setting it up before at home, but the poles are so long, like it's too
It's
big
hard to do.
for my
This is a massive tent.
She said it was a
my
4-person
God.
tent, so.
I don't try to see where the.
Okay, now. Oh, well, okay, try again.
Aw,
There you go.
Mel, great job. Yay! Oh,
You have to help her with the fly now. She's not done.
Okay, fly. Oops. Okay, never mind. Hold on.
Do you need it? I mean, no. I mean, otherwise.
You go, lumberjack.
Morning, more
Bella.
with the redwoods, yeah.
I like that. Okay. Okay. Let me. Alright, let's go do this. I think this is gonna be what you have. Did you get yours from Costco?
Yeah.
I think this is what Andre has too.
I saw it. I was like, oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
This one? Here's her blankets. There she goes. You guys didn't bring safety bags?
I did. It's in there.
Okay, good. And you brought one for Lena? Oh, this hammock chair. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
I thought you had a hammock.
No, he also has a hammock there.
Oh, okay. There's your chair. Okay, I see now.
Okay. Got that.
Hey Siri, skip this song. I'm surprised you even work up here.
Alright.
Hey Siri, skip this song.
Let's see. I know he believes in me. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, are you gonna help me? Are you gonna help me? Thanks, Andre.
What? Andre loaned it to her.
Yeah.
It's the Sparks.
Oh, I see.
And this is bark from Montana.
Is it from Joe?
Birch. From Ron.
Oh, okay. Upon them. What is it?
Earth like that. And now do it.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. When we became man.
Yeah, you caveman.
Okay, woman.
You sure you're not Filipino?
I'm honoring Filipino.
Yeah.
Okay, woman. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey.
Oh wait, you gotta keep watching it. Keep going. Do it again.
I like this. What is this stone made out of?
It's iron, I believe.
Oh,
It's called a ferrous stick or something like that.
ferret?
Ferrous. It's
Oh,
something with
ferrous.
iron, but it doesn't look like iron, right?
Mm-mm.
I think it has iron in it.
Yeah. Why?
It
Why?
just takes patience. That's why it's, even though you have that, it's still like, oh, there was a little ember right there.
Yeah.
Maybe we should try it on the.
You know work.
You know, it does. It just takes patience. That's why Bella last night, you saw her. She was just waiting. Isn't that amazing? There was fire last night, and they're still back for that junky little peanut butter sandwich.
Yeah.
That's funny.
That is funny. Why no start?
Oh my god. You know,
There's an obstacle. Careful, God. I don't want to hit you.
you're fine. Maybe slow down. Do it with that force, but slow down your.
Hey.
What do you hear, dog? Hey.
The egg. Yeah, that's smart. Oh! She start fire! She start fire!
Did you snap throw it?
Actually only got
Good
Bella's
job,
back.
Bella. Okay.
Wow.
They used all the kindling, so we have to use all the.
No. It can be the.
Achilles, look at this. It says your Airbnb. Literally Air. It's so cute. Oh. Let me zoom out here. This is like 100% Mel. This is cute.
It's very extra,
Mm-hmm.
but I love it.
Extra, girl. This is my kind of my kind of camping. Okay, we still need to get your stuff. Okay, we'll go. All right, Achilles, let's go.
Okay.
You can escape. I'm just trying to find a leash now.
You like the house, huh? You're welcome.
Oh, and then this is the porch. I mean, this is the patio.
All right. Let me
It's cute.
go. Yeah.
A little bit more salt and pepper. I think the Asians cook, huh?
You're like, I was like, look. Look. Oh, it's taking pictures though. It looks like.
Oh,
Okay.
I do need a little bit more olive oil.
We got plenty.
She's about my longer tongue.
It's okay. We got our long sleeve. Oh yeah. Medium rare. You guys like it medium rare?
We actually do.
Oh, I see it.
Oh yeah. Please.
And the top.
Please have some. Please. Bella, come have some.
Alright. Let me just see the fire real quick.
Is it hot still? Actually, can I? Let's see. You have oh.
There's a knife. The knife's right there.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna cut into it. Steak knife. Yes. Oh, it's gonna be. Oh, okay. It's gonna be okay.
Oh, there.
Here you go. It's actually gonna be like
Ooh, sorry.
medium.
It's a little medium.
Medium, yeah.
Oh, well.
Still delicious.
Mhm.
I like how you guys like it.
You like how we like it?
Yeah, we do.
Bella, have some.
His family's a bunch of pussies. So. What? Well, they can't handle.
Oh, all I heard was pussy. That's all.
Well, they can't handle like that's
Roll territory. I'm gonna be roll.
And ramen. Oh, Yes,
That
please.
was so amazing.
Thanks.
Thank you guys so
for
much.
this. Yeah, no, thank you guys for
I'm
like
having
planning
trouble
this.
sitting down because my back hurts. So. Okay. I do love cookies.
Woo! This delicious. Thank you, ladies.
Okay.
Oh, now I just need sleep.
Gonna sleep well tonight.
And an empty bladder. No.
Mom, what's Spanish for?
Just shut up and eat.
Just shut up and eat.
Cállate la boca. Something. Yeah. Close enough. Whatever.
Wow, this meat is.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh my gosh, so good.
This is good. Are you sitting? She's sitting in my chair.
Mm.
You don't even stand up, Costco pizza.
She's talking to people.
Steak and right now 9:45, literally bedtime for us. Only 1 bar. I don't know what time to wake up. We don't know what time to wake up. Oops. Alright. Achilles, let's see if you want to crawl in here with Mama. He's just in here. Achilles, come inside. Hey, come here. Baby, come here. Come inside. Come inside. Oh, you want to sleep in your bed? Want to sleep in here? Okay. Inside here? Come. Like, this is strange. Achilles, oh, you want to sleep like that? Okay. Alright, you can sleep like that, baby. It's like 5:40 in the morning, and I just woke up because I need to pee. Gillis is trying to find a place to pee. Go pee, baby. Look, sleep was okay. Achilles kept moving around. I keep having to making sure that he doesn't want to escape the tent. And yeah, it was pretty cold though. Next time, bring more blankets, or maybe just bring 2 layers of pants. Chilling in the hammock. He's chewing up. Everyone is pretty much awake now because of this dude. He's barking and barking. I'm sorry, I was like turning. I'm a side sleeper.
I feel like I was. Me too.
No.
So I kept, or like at one point my arm was falling asleep, and then I had to I just had to keep like a chicken.
Like, but even like I needed to pee earlier, and also Achilles needed to pee. But like I was trying to get out the sleeping bag. I made it harder than it's supposed to be.
Oh.
I was trying to. I know.
I woke up and I was like, why is the sleeping bag like in a pile?
Yes,
Like, girl,
sorry.
just unzip.
I know. I'm learning.
It's alright. You learn.
Parisian style coffee.
I'm not sure what that means, but whatever.
Batch 22 bake. I wish your dad was here. Achilles? Maybe he'll give you more food. He's always a sucker. His dad always spoils him.
More than you do?
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, whenever we go to like restaurants and he's like, "Oh, that's for Achilles." I'm like,
Oh my
"What?"
God.
Oh, I'm like, "Oh, I forgot." Okay.
But I think I have cat energy.
I don't know what.
Yeah, I don't know what
You
Bella
missed my
is
good
yet.
one.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at her.
Oh, okay.
Like in general, I think
You even look like a lumberjack.
Yeah, she's got her lumberjack hat.
I was like, what?
Yes.
So don't fuck with
Oh,
us.
oh
It's
yeah.
okay. And by the way, you guys are using Dad's axe. It is. It's Dad's
Grandpa,
axe.
right? Grandpa, yeah,
Grandpa's
yeah, yeah,
axe, yeah.
yeah. Stubborn as him.
He's still with us.
You still with us?
You know that Dad was an Eagle Scout.
Eagle Scout.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
He also played the accordion.
Oh, cool. Oh man, if we had someone to bring bring a guitar and just like play background music, sure, we do that.
Oh, that would be cool.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
Yeah, that would be sweet.
I think she's got her lumberjack.
Mel
back.
needs to get her own axe now. I guess I
Yeah,
know what
exactly.
I'm giving her.
Exactly. And then I have an audience who's like, "Give me my third wiener."
Oh my God.
Third wiener.
Achilles like jerky?
Breakfast. Chef. Lele chef. Lele chef. Chevalerie.
Oh, you sound like Vahina.
Avocado toast. $20.
Wait. Look at my fancy plate.
What is that? Oh, yes.
I know where that's from. Nah. I'm good.
Ooh. I mean, it's hot already.
Too late.
Hi.
Hi. It was fun.
It was fun. It was fun. Wait,